Hello, good morning student of class 12. Today we discuss a very important reaction which is a named reaction from your haloalkane and haloarenes chapter. Clear? The first reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation and the second one is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Clear? So in that case we are adding the alkyl part to the aromatic ring, and in the case of Friedel-Crafts acylation we are using the acyl part, that is RCOCl. RCOCl. This is called acyl. This is called acyl. Clear? Now, in the case of alkylation, the chlorobenzene here, which is going to react with the alkyl halide, in presence of FeCl3. Clear? So, what are the products formed in this reaction? So, it will form Cl here, and there are two kinds of product will be formed in this kind of reaction because of this is ortho and para directing groups. So it will form the CH3 is going to attach with the Cl. Now this Cl is a good leaving group. Now the bond is going to be break here because the bond is going to be a polar in nature, and it will form partial positive charge and it will form partial negative charge, and this positive charge is going to be electron. This positive charge is showing that the CH3 is an electron deficient species which is going to attach with the electron rich species, that is chlorobenzene, which is ortho and para directing, and this CH3 will be attached at the ortho position, and there is also an option for the para position in the case of chlorobenzene. So CH3 is also attached at the para position. Clear? And this is a minor product and this is the major product due to steric hindrance. Here steric hindrance is also occurring here, but in the case of major product, this is the para group. Clear? This is the para group, that's why it is a major product. Clear? Because of absence of steric hindrance between the chlorine and the CH3 group. Clear? So now come to the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In the case of this one, this is also chlorine, that is chlorine is attached with the benzene ring. This is the ortho and para directing group. So it will form two kind of product. Chloro attached at the here and this acyl part, because this carbon is attached with the chlorine and chlorine is more electronegative as compared to the carbon, and this bond is going to be break here from here, and this carbon will form a partial positive charge and this chlorine will be form a partial negative charge, and this carbon which is electron deficient now after breaking this bond, so it will attach here like that, C double bond O and the CH3. This is the acyl part which is attached at the ortho position, and again there is another option to form the product in this kind of reaction, Cl attached here and the C double bond OCH3. So this is the product of this kind of reaction. Again there is a steric hindrance between these two substances, and now this is the minor product in the reaction and this is the major product in the reaction. I hope you understand this kind of reaction. Thank you class.